So
my head grew heavy and my side grew dim. I had to stop for the night. That she stood in the doorway. I heard the mission bell. Now I thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Anytime of year, you can find it here. Her mind is Tiffany twisted. She got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty boys that she calls friends. How they dance in the cold sweet summer sweat. Some days to remember, some days to forget. So I told the captain, please bring me my mind. He said, we haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Waking up in the middle of the night, just to hear me say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. You're living it up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise, what a nice surprise. Picture out of eyes. Mirrors on the ceiling, the pink champagne on ice. And she said, we are all just prisoners here over our own device. And in the master chamber, they gather for the feast. They stab it with their steely knives, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing